Welcome to the Digital Micro Trading Journal, day trading for ROI. It's no trade recommendations, it's just a trade journal. So here we are Friday, non-farm payroll day trade setup, November 4th, 2022. And we're going to examine price action, order flow on a 24-hour, 120-minute, and most importantly, the 5-minute chart. 24-hour M2K micro futures. This was a historic upper Bollinger Band ride for 7 straight sessions. Then yesterday's Thursday session, we had a triple algo buy signal at the bottom here with this negative 97 delta, and it bounced off the middle Bollinger. And here we sit right now with a pullback sell on the order flow signal. And right now that's telling me this could be potentially a two-way action Friday. We've got to see what the news will be shortly. Order flow, strength of the punches is barely under zero, maybe slightly above. Cumulative delta still on the sell slightly, and pace not happening. Bulls, I say, have the edge just because price is above middle Bollinger Band. But what they need to really do is recapture T+2 October end and make a run for the upper Bollinger Band November 1st, but that might be too much to ask on a Friday. Let's go to the 120. The 120 minute gives me a lot more context of what possibly is ahead here in the next few hours. So at this red arrow, that is, of course, the Fed, the FOMC, and you can see we really broke hard. And then all we've been doing since then with this red line here near the 1800, you've seen price compression. So this is a big warning signal, compressed Bollinger Bands here. So I'm going to not really add a lot of size until I see a break one way or the other. The strength of the hits, inbox histogram, that's not really happening here. You see here we've got the color right for bulls, but there's no real expansive buying taking place. And the cumulative sell still is on. Not by a lot, but it's there. And as far as the pace, there's nothing to really speak of. I shouldn't be committing capital, and the Bollinger Bands is scaring me off of doing anything with size, and the order flow is just not compelling. So I'm video journaling the 5-minute chart here to really focus on what's happening with the order flow on Globex before non-farm payrolls. And what I see here on the strength of the hits is we've got offers being lifted, and you can see no bids. So right when Europe opened, we had an initial sell-off on the strength of the punches. Again, offers lifted here. There's no inventory for sale. And look at this cumulative delta here, very strong. So they're absolutely ramping this up into non-farm payroll. I'm just going to focus on the 5-minute price action for the trigger on the trades on the 1 minute. So it's the 5 and the 1 minute watch for the non-farm payrolls. And then an hour later, when we get the RTH open in the first 30 minutes, that's where I'm going to do my business and hopefully call it an early day.